So it's 2 o'clock on August 22nd, and Hurricane Bill is bearing down on the east coast of the United States. And Jesus Christ, it looks like a pterodactyl. Giant heron. Anyway, and people are starting to drive like the world's going to catch on fire, or we're going to be hit by a meteor. This place is one big cluster. That's right.
There's near panic here. People are struggling to find a parking space to be able to watch a fog bank, and you can barely see the shore from the top of the rise here.
Lemmings.
Just about to get down there. High tide probably not for another hour or two, but normally this is how high it would be. So we've got another 2 hours, and as you can see from the wet sand here, the surge is pretty high.
Chatham fish pier.
Seal tours. Fishing charters. Hey Scotty, don't you sometimes just want to don't you just want to go to somebody else's workplace and just sit there and film them and take pictures?
Run this thing like this.
What are you doing? You know, what's going on?
What are you doing?
Did you just get in?
Yeah.
Right, yeah. You guys getting for seal, huh? Shannon? What are you doing?
Just wandering around.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think? We're going to get a little more wind than this or what?
Oh yeah. A few degrees change in that course and it might be on us.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. The warm water is going to suck it in this way. That doesn't repel it. The warm water sucks it in, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Warm water creates a low pressure.
Right.
And then the high pressure falls into it.
The high's not for another hour here in Pleasant Bay, and you can see it's just about a few feet away from the parking lot. We'll be here tomorrow. See how far it's clawed up into this dune.
Oh, we're at Scattery, by the way.
Minister's Point. Head out, high tide, already flooding a parking lot. Bill's hundreds of miles away, and yet the storm surge is already kind of affecting here in Riders Cove, where all the fishermen are pulling their boats.
This is about where it's going to hit last.
No dogs.
Danger? Donger?
Donger?
Danger with a Y. Private beach, yeah, I hate that sort of crap. So, but
I thought if you owned a private beach, you'd have a better sign, huh?
It's actually quite good.
Lemonade, brownies, just what we need to chase a storm that is hundreds and hundreds of miles away. Be afraid. Be very afraid.